Hello and warm greetings to the esteemed panel of Dronacharya Awards. I am Zeenat Khan, English teacher and coordinator of HPS Didwana 5179 for the last 7 years. Today I am thrilled and excited to share my teaching journey as a passionate educator, highlighting my teaching philosophies, achievements and contributions to the field of education. I believe in creating an inclusive learning environment that inspires my students to become lifelong learners, critical thinkers and most importantly a good human being, because inculcating moral values has become a task in today's modern world. As for my teaching style, I like to include a lot of activities like games such as Simon Says, Dumb Charades, role plays, interviews, etc. to make learning fun. Being a language teacher, I know that I can help my students get better grades in other subjects too. For if they are aware of the language, it will automatically be easier for them to understand the concepts of other subjects. So I prefer correlative method of teaching, where I choose topics from science, SST and GK to discuss the language. Being a dedicated educator, I have had the privilege to help my students gain the confidence they need to achieve their goals. I have helped my students improve their grades. One of the students, when she came in class 6th, she didn't even know the basic verbs. And after 3 years of hard work, now she is getting 90% marks in English. One of my students have cleared Sainik school exam and another one has cleared Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam. Many of my students are doing very well in English Olympiads. This makes me so happy and proud. I have helped my students to improve their public speaking skills by motivating them to be the host in every school function. As for my involvement in the school, I am working on building a healthy relationship with all the parents, because gaining their trust and making sure that they get all the positive development in their child as needed improves or impacts the growth of the school positively. For the work that I have done in this school, I have been awarded the Best Teacher Award, and all the parents whose kids I have taught believes that I had been a great teacher, and that is the best achievement, because that is what matters the most. And I am so proud to have made my kids believe that English is just a language and everybody can learn it. That too in a rural Marwadi surrounding where they are not even connected to the language. At last, I would like to thank the panel for giving me this opportunity where I got to share my beliefs and the commitment that I have towards this noble profession. It's a human tendency to want to be appreciated for all the hard work, and I put my heart and soul in teaching, and that's why I deserve to be appreciated to keep going further. Thank you.